Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about the world of recruitment in the BPO industry, because let's face it, your success hinges on the quality of your team. Finding and hiring the right talent is crucial for building a high performing call center or BPO business. Let's explore some strategies to ensure you recruit the best candidates for your organizations. First point is defining your ideal candidate profile. Before you start recruiting, take time to identify key skills, qualities, and experience you're looking for in potential hires. Consider factors such as communication skill, language proficiency, problem-solving abilities, and customer service experience. Having a clear picture of your ideal candidate will help streamline the recruitment process and attract the right talent. If you're getting some value from this video, consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Next up we have is utilize multiple recruitment channels. Cast a wide net by leveraging various recruitment channels to reach potential candidates. This includes job boards, social media platforms, professional networking sites, recruitment agencies, and employee referrals. Each channel has its strengths and it can help you target different segments of the talent pool. If you want to know how to start a contact center and acquire international clients, you can attend my executive program online on my website. It's www.offshoringconsultant.com. You can refer to the link in the description. Now let's discuss screening and selection process. Develop rigorous screening and selection process to assess candidates' qualification, skills, and cultural fit. This may include resume screening, phone interviews, skill assessment, and in-person interviews. Use behavioral-based interview techniques to delve deeper into candidates' past experience and assess their suitability for this role. If you have any questions related to BPO or contact center industry, you can directly reach out to me on my WhatsApp. My number is +91 9730 827 518. Now moving on to offering competitive compensation and benefits. In a competitive job market, offering attractive compensation and benefit packages can help you attract and retain top talent. Research industry standards and benchmark your compensation packages against your competitors. Consider offering additional perks such as flexible work arrangements, career development opportunities, and wellness programs to sweeten the deal. Now let's discuss about employee training and development. Invest in comprehensive training programs to onboard new hires and equip them with skills and knowledge they need to succeed in their roles. Provide ongoing training and development opportunities to support career growth and employee retention. A well-trained and engaged workforce is a key in delivering exceptional service and driving business success. And last but certainly not the least, let's not forget about creating a positive employer brand. Your employer brand plays a crucial role in attracting top talent to your organization. Showcase your company culture, values, and employee testimonial to create compelling employer brand that resonates with your potential candidates. Actively engage with candidates throughout the recruitment process and provide a positive candidate experience to leave a lasting impression. And there you have it, some key strategies for recruiting the right talent in the BPO industry. By defining your ideal candidate profile, utilizing multiple recruitment channels, implementing rigorous screening processes, offering competitive compensation and benefits, investing in employee training and development, and creating a positive employer brand, you can attract and retain top talent to drive your call center or BPO business forward.